With my tablescape ideas. Before I dye whole like 8-foot polyester tablecloths I wanted to test it out on this because technically this dye doesn't work on polyester, and I have the polyester linens because they're the cheapest to buy. So I wanted to just test it out though, because I feel like looking at this, it's gonna take. Like, look how pretty that blue is. It's like a gray blue, which is exactly the color I'm looking for. Rinse it with cool water. I mean, this is just literally 2 minutes after dropping it in this hot water. So, stand by, I'll be back. The ratio is 2 teal to 1 charcoal gray. So here I have my KitchenAid, and I just dropped in a white polyester napkin. The color I was going for, and it worked with the polyester. Now I'm gonna test it out on my old white polyester linens. I figured even if it didn't work, it doesn't really matter because look how like stained and gross these are. I've had them for a long time. So I have 3 linens that fit, I think 8-foot tables. So I'm gonna throw these all in my washing machine and give it a whirl. Wish me luck. Okay, look how pretty it is. The lighting is in here. It's a little wonky. I'll show you in a little bit, but this is after I washed it. And it's a little bit lighter than the napkin, but that is okay. I love that blue. I am so thoroughly impressed. These are fresh out of the dryer. I mean, that totally transformed my ugly white polyester linen that I was probably gonna toss into this beautiful gray blue. Welcome to a Set the Table series holiday tablescape edition. One of my absolute favorite things to do is transforming old things into new. And so like you saw with the table linens, I transformed old white cheap polyester linen that I had purchased on Amazon a few years ago into something fresh with just a couple bottles of dye. And when I think about my table, I think about what can I use that I already have. And then as I am inspired and looking at photos online, I think about what I need to do to pull in certain colors, table to be warm and cozy and a little bit more moody. And when I found these plates at Target, I knew that this would be a perfect addition. Number one, they were really affordable at only $3 a piece. They're the melamine material out of partly bamboo, so they're really lightweight, they're easy to store away, and they're good for both kids and adults. And I liked that it was just very rich in color. Okay to pair old and new. So I had a few of these napkins, the black and white stripe ones, but I wanted to add a little bit of a fresh touch and mix and match, so I found another set of napkins from Hearth and Hand with white and a simple black ticking stripe down the middle. Also found these paper goods that I plan on using for the appetizers and dessert at Home Goods. They always have the best selection, and I loved that these were perfect for Thanksgiving. I am really excited to introduce to you guys today the company First Leaf. First Leaf is a premium wine club, and this is so exciting for me to introduce into my everyday life, as well as really elevate my hosting and entertaining capabilities with offering some amazing wines from different regions and parts of the world. So what you do is you go online and you take a quiz, and it asks you all kinds of questions, not really about wine, but about what are your taste preferences? Do you like sweet? Do you like bold? And they're just trying to get a feeling for what you love. And so what happens is you get your first box of 6 wines in the mail. And what's my favorite thing is that they come with these wine cards that are personalized to each bottle, and it tells about where it's from. It rates each wine on the boldness, the sweetness, the fruitiness of every wine. It also gives you ideas of what you can pair it with, which is so helpful for somebody like me that loves good wine but is always stumped on what to A, pair it with, and B, what to pick. All the wines that you receive are award-winning, so you don't have to just show up at the grocery store like I usually do and just eeny, meeny, miny, mo and just grab a random one. All of them are award-winning, all of them are wonderful, and what's awesome is that as you get deeper into First Leaf, they are able to customize your art order more and more as you review the different bottles that you receive. And I thought it would be fun for Thanksgiving to put out a red and a white with the card, and it will allow myself and our guests something to enjoy and look at as we sample the different wines together. So if you're interested in trying out First Leaf, whether it's just for you or the holidays this season, please check out the link below as well as the discount code, and I hope that you really enjoy everything First Leaf has to offer. So for the flowers, I did a whole floral tutorial that I posted over the weekend that you can go watch. They're really simple. All the flowers were from my favorite Petal Driven that I always have things shipped right to my door. And if you would like to recreate this yourself, you can go watch the full tutorial that I'll link to below. As far as any other elements that I added to the table, I had these old antlers on hand. You can add pumpkins that you've had. I added these dried leaves to every place setting that I had from past projects this season. Again, use things that you have to really elevate and add a few other special touches to the table. As far as the silverware and all the glassware, these are things that I had on hand. I had the water jugs. I had these pillared candles that I added to the table, as well as simple votives. All of these things create a warm ambiance that I know the guests are going to enjoy. Another feature that I added was I had these old small blanket scarves from Target Dollar Spot that I decided to drape over a couple of the chairs. I really feel like it makes the table feel extra cozy and inviting, and I'm going to plan on recreating this outside, so I think the guests would really enjoy having a blanket that they could also functionally use if it gets a little bit cold. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you are inspired and enjoy this Thanksgiving tablescape brought to you a few days before Thanksgiving. Maybe you get some last minute ideas. But no matter how you spend this holiday, whether alone or with a group of loved ones, and I pray your holiday season is full of so much love and gratitude. Take care.